Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri. I am Mirza Shambeg, your quant educator, and today I am going to discuss a very important topic. Look at my topic. Look at this. Quantitative aptitude preparation strategy for Ibps PO 2020. So it is a very important topic, because in this video I am going to give you a very organized method to go in the examination. All right, because once you got your organized method, you will be able to solve any query within time. Why I have added within time? Because you have a limited time. As you know that 35 questions has been asked and you have only 20 minutes. So how can you solve 25 plus questions within 20 minutes, where you will be getting some of very difficult questions as well? Let me give you an idea. Let's go ahead. First of all, you should know the prelims pattern. As you know that there are 35 questions in the prelims examination, while 20 minutes has been given. The same number of questions has been given in the mains examination as well, but there were the time was much more than 20 minutes. So what you can do is, as you know that this 35 questions divided in three parts. One is the easy segment, second one is the moderate segment, and the third one is the difficult segment. I would rather say lengthy segment instead of difficult. Why? Because there is no such difficult question in the prelims examination. You should know that, because in if you are dealing with difficult questions in prelims examination, that would be unfair, because the marks is not added in the mains exams as SSC does that. But here you just have to qualify it. But the main thing is, this is the scoring area and you cannot afford to lose any question. All right, do as much as possible. All right, because if you score here good, then you will take a breather in English segment. As we all know that English is the weakest section of all the aspirants, but recent cutoff suggested that the English has improved a bit due to the section wise division of particular subject. Now let's go ahead. First of all, you should know that syllabus, as I have told you that quant section has been divided in three parts. One is easy, second one is moderate, while the third one is difficult. Okay, what you can do is, you will elaborate easy part from this syllabus. Look at this, till, as you can see, 1, 2 and 3 are the easy part. In fact, some of the easy part as well from word problem, but these are the easy parts, and easy means you will be getting simplification. All right, there will be 35 questions, where 10 to 15 questions were from simplification, while 2 or more than 2 DI can be asked. All right, so 10 question has also been gone. That means you have gone 25 questions. That means 10 to 15 questions can be off. What can be off from word problem or arithmetic problem? Now what you can do is, as you know that from SBI PO mains 2017, all the things has been changed, because in 2017 an examiner was asking about arithmetic DI, and the aspirants were caught surprised, because they have never faced any kind of arithmetic DI. What is the arithmetic DI? Let's say that an examiner asked in that examination, SBI PO 2017 mains, examiner asked several DI on a particular topic, like a DI on discount, a DI on time and work, a DI on boat and stream, a DI on probability. So these are the DIs, these are the topics on which DI has been asked. And even some of the aspirants have not attempted any question, and they had still qualified the examination. All right, mains examination, and in fact they were preparing for GDPI. So you should be aware that these are the topics in any of the topic DI can be asked. All right, and the recent trend shows as well IBPS is following SBI. Remember that wherever SBI goes, IBPS follows. So you should know that. So these are the important things. Okay, let me give you the idea. As you know that easy topic means simplification, number series, quadratic equation, while moderate questions can be of arithmetic section or of a DI section. How can you say that this moderate question can be of a DI section? Okay, let me give you. Similarly, difficult question can be of arithmetic portion as well as a DI portion. Let's say that a question has been asked on DI where they have asking you about to find a total average, and to finding a particular number's average becomes difficult, while for if they are asking about the total average, that means the question becomes lengthy. So basically this is not a difficult question, it is a lengthy question. All right, and a particular pattern you have known about that. You know that wherever you go and see the arithmetic question on that particular pattern, you will go and solve it quickly. Okay, but whenever the pattern changes, you get stuck. All right, so whenever you get stuck, you don't attempt that question. All right, remember that. So the major thing is that you have to find out which question you have to attempt it and which question you have to leave it. Here these are the segments. Okay, you should know that from arithmetic section, some of the topic asked regularly, like ages, like mensuration, like boat and stream, like like time and work or pipe and cistern. Any of the topic can be asked. So these are the topics where a question can be asked frequently, but a new question can generate it from a topic like profit and loss, mixture and allegation. Remember that. Okay, so these are the topic where a new trend can generate. So you should be aware of that, and don't attempt a 3 to 4 line question. Remember that. First you need to attempt those questions which you can predict in 10 seconds. All right, if you can't predict in 10 seconds, just leave that question. Same case happened with number series mostly, because most of the students know that if a number series has been asked, 5 questions has been asked, where 3 can be done easily while rest of the 2 need work hard. All right, so you should aware about that. These are your syllabus, and you should know that which part you have to attempt and which part you have to leave. As I have told you, previous year cutoff, you should remember that previous year cutoff 59.75 was the previous year cutoff. But the maths or quants cutoff was from 8 point something. Okay, you should know that. So basically all you have to do is to clear this 8 to 10 marks. But you know that if you get only 8 to 10 marks and just clear the cutoff, you will not be able to clear the examination. You should remember that, because this is yours. The quantitative aptitude is nothing but a scoring area. If you lose your scoring area, you will not be able to get selected. Okay, if you count all the cutoffs, you will know that the overall cutoff will be much more higher than the total cutoff. So you should know that this is just a matter of time. What you can do is you will have to make proper mock. You have to give proper mock. If you don't give proper mock, you will not be able to get you will not be able to generate speed which is necessary in terms of prelims examination. How to dodge a question? This is a very important question. If you learned how to dodge a question, you will be able to clear the examination. That's the only mantra. Because as I have told you that in a DI average, I'm just giving you an example, an average question can be of a very easy, but there are some hints you should know that. Like if a question has asked on a data or a value, okay, or a value, that means your question has a lengthy segment. Okay, your question is a lengthy one, because all the options are in values, but you cannot afford to lose any of the question which is based on percentage or on ratio, because either if you're losing a question based on percentage and ratio, you will not be able to clear the DI. Okay, you should remember that. So you have to look it very quickly. And how can you know that which question you should lose, which question you should leave, and which question you should attempt? Your mock practice will guide you. Your mock practice is a very important thing. How? Let's say that you are practicing a mock in the morning, okay, and you will find that some of the questions you are not able to attempt it within time. So what you can do is, once you get all the mock solution, you will attempt it on your own way without putting a time limit. So whenever you realizes your all mistakes, what you can do is you will go to the second round of mock, and you will see that you will find improvement in your practice. So what you can do is you have to make proper practice. If you won't be able to practice in a proper manner, that means you lack speed and you lack accuracy. But you should always remember that accuracy comes first, then speed comes. Okay, if you are able to generate accuracy, your speed will automatically increase. So don't forget about anything. All right, so these are my advices. If you want to attempt some of very highly regarded IBPS RRB rank booster quiz, you can get it at 10 a.m. daily. Okay, daily for 15 questions you will be getting 15 minutes. And the best thing is the link of this rank booster quiz will be given in the description of this video. You should remember. All right, so if you like this session, share, comment, and subscribe our YouTube channel. So till then guys, thank you. When we meet in the next class, we will discuss some of the more important strategies for the upcoming examination. Till then, thank you. Stay with Entri.